Hey everyone, Mike Givens here from MRG Studio. If you've been trying to get your iPod Classic working again on a newer Mac, and I mean the Apple Silicon ones, you've probably hit that annoying wall where restoring it just hangs forever. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to restore and sync your iPod Classic successfully, and fix that stuck restore bug along the way. Let's start by plugging in the iPod. I'm using a 160 gig U2 edition, still one of the slickest looking classics out there. Once you connect it, it might pop up in Finder right away. But if it doesn't, just open the Music app. That usually gives it the nudge it needs. In Finder, you'll often see two icons. One is the iPod as a device, and the other shows it as a basic hard drive. Use the one that shows an iPod icon, not the generic drive. To do a clean restore, just click Restore iPod. If it's your first time, your Mac will download the software. Click through, agree to the terms, type in your password, and let it do its thing. Now here's the part where people get stuck. The restore looks like it's done, the iPod says it's finished, but your Mac won't eject it. It just freezes in limbo. Here's how to fix it. Open Activity Monitor and type Discover into the search bar. You'll see something called AMP Device Discovery Agent. That's the culprit, but don't quit it just yet. First, unplug the iPod and let it finish rebooting. It'll show the Apple logo, maybe reboot again, and then finally land on the main menu. Now go back to Activity Monitor and force quit AMP Device Discovery Agent. That finally convinces Finder to let go and finish the restore. Once your iPod finishes rebooting, plug it back in. Sometimes the Get Started screen pops up right away. Sometimes you have to nudge it by toggling between Finder and Music. When it does appear, click Get Started. From here, you can sync your entire music library, or just select artists, albums, or playlists. Once you've picked your music, click Apply and let it sync. When it's done, make sure to properly eject the iPod. Now on the iPod itself, you can select your language. Go into Music. Maybe even relive the glory of cover flow. And just like that, you're back in business. So yeah, syncing and restoring iPod classics does still work, even on the latest Macs. It just takes a little behind-the-scenes trick to get past that restore hang-up. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe for more iPod tips, music tech tricks, and DIY gadget goodness from MRG Studio. Drop any questions you've got down in the comments. I will read every one of them. Thanks for watching.